This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl. Well-maintained 365-day unit. New mini-split heat pump. Large partially covered deck. Small finished building with bathroom and laundry facilities. Well-maintained. Latitude 49 is a gated community located just off Birch Bay's sandy beaches. Wonderful place for a weekend getaway or live all year round. Community facilities are luxury clubhouse with exercise room, game room, meeting room, swimming pool, hot tub, sports courts, pickleball courts, security gate. Homeowners Association is very strong with good reserves. For more information, review the details below or contact Billy Brown and Tonya Wahl at 360-220-7175.